Hi everyone, and welcome to our next lesson all about money, where we are still counting money. It's a very important skill to have. So this is a reminder of our coins and our notes. We have our pennies, starting with the brown pennies with the lowest value coins, moving up to silver for some higher value coins, and then we get the pound coins, £1 and £2 that are gold colour and silver colour. Then we have our notes, 5, 10, 20 and 50. Okay, so our in focus task today is all about Ravi, and Ravi is trying to pay £7.75 for the world's most expensive jar of jam. Jam is not normally this expensive, do not panic. This must be an extremely fancy jam with some magical raspberries in it. So, does he have the correct amount of money? That's what you need to work out by counting the coins and notes to see if he has £7.75. And if he doesn't, maybe you could show me what £7.75 would look like. Pause the video and give this in focus task a go now. Okay, so how do we work out this problem? So we need to answer the question, Ravi does have the correct amount of money or Ravi doesn't have the correct amount of money. How much does Ravi have? You need to work this out maybe using a number line, or you could use two number lines to do the pounds and then pence, just to mix it up. And there's no right or wrong way of doing this, but I've just thought I'd show you a different way because last time I showed you the one number line way and this is using two. So if we start on £5, how many more pounds is he adding? What's this coin here? £2. So that would be add £2, and then you've got your pounds value. And then for the pence, what's our highest value pence coin? Oh, there's 3 of them, and they are all 20p. And then we're adding another 20p and another 20p. And then a little tiny 5p. And that will give you your pence amount to show you how much Ravi has. So that is the first thing you need to work out. How much does he have, and does he have enough? Do that first. Pause the video now, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, did you work it out? So let's look at the pounds first. So 5 add 2 is 5, 6, £7. And for pence, we can count in our 20s because we can count in our 2s. 20, 40, 60. Well done if you got that. 60 add 5 is 61, 62, 63, 64, 65 pence. So putting those together, Ravi has £7.65. Is that enough for the world's most expensive jar of jam? I don't think it is. So Ravi doesn't have the correct amount of money. Okay, so now we know that he doesn't have enough. We need to find out how much more he needs. So what he needs is £7.75 or 775 pence. What he has is £7.65. This is the amount that he needs to buy the jam. How do we find this missing number? We need to do a subtraction. We need to take this away from this, and that will leave us this little bit here. So our biggest number, what he needs, is £7.75. What he has is £7.65, a very similar number. Taking away, remember. Once you've worked that out, you can fill in this box too. And you can draw for me with coins and notes what £7.75 should look like. Pause the video and do that now. Okay, so what did you get? Let's have a look up here. 5 take away 5 is 0, that's right. 7 take away 6 is You might know that 7 is 1 more than 6. So that's going to be our answer. 7 take away 7? Nothing. So how much more does he need? Remember, pounds are this side, pence are this side. So he only needs 10 pence more. He's not very far away, is he? So how could we show £7.75? Well, we could start with the £5 note because that's less than £7. Okay, how many more pounds do we need to get to 7? We've got 5, 6, 7. That's 2 more pounds. Is there a £2 coin? There certainly is. So we've got our £7 now. Tick. Now we need 75 pence. Is there a 75 pence coin? No. Is there a 70 pence coin? No. Is there a 60 pence coin? No. Is there a 50 pence coin? Yes. A very wonky looking 50 pence coin. So we've got 50, we need to get to 75. So how many more 10s do we need? 50, 60, 70. That's 2 more 10s to get to 70. And 2 10s are 20. So now we've got £7.70. What do we need? That last 5, and luckily for us there's a 5p. You could have drawn £7.75 in a completely different way and it might still be right, so don't worry if you haven't got exactly the same way as I have done it here. Okay, so this is how they did it in the book. They counted the pounds and counted the pence, which is exactly what we did. Good job us. Is this £7.75 down here? Let's see. So we've got 5, add 1 is 6, add 1 is 7. So we've got £7 here. Is this down here 75p? Let's get my laser pointer. We've got 20p, and then we're going in tens up until here. So we've got 20, add 10, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, stop because the coin changes value here. So we're at 70p, add 2, 71, 72, 73, 74, add 1, 75, £7.75. So this is another way that we could have shown £7.75. Okay, write the amount of money shown. Get my trusty pen back. I've worked out what's making the funny menu pop up. Now it's this tiny button, but it's really hard not to press it when you're holding it. You live, you learn. Right, 1A, write the amount of money shown. So we have 2 notes. We have a £10 note and a £5 note. Do we have any other pound things? Yes, we do. We have the £1 coin. So 10 add 5 is 15. Well done. Add 1 is 16. Super. So we have £16. And how many pence over here? 10 add 5 again. What was that? 10 add 5. That was 15, not 50. Try not to get those mixed up. So we have £16 and 15p. Okay, let's look down here. We've got some big notes. We've got £50, add £20. So that's 2 lots of 10. So we're going to count 2 10s from 50. 50, 60, 70. We're up to 70, and now 2 more 10s. 80, £90. Think of all the sweets you could buy. Don't buy £90 worth of sweets. That's terrible for your teeth. 90 add 2 is 91. 92. Add another 2, 93, 94. £94. Wow, that's nearly £100. Let's look at our coins. 50, and we're counting in tens. 50, 60, 70. Add what? 2, 71, 72. Add another one. 73. So we have £94 and 73 pence. Wowzers, amazing. Let's show our amount of money down here now. So 2A, £10 and 60p, £10.60. How would you show £10 and 60p? Would you use all coins? As it's a bigger number, you'd probably want to use some notes to save yourself some time. If you'd like to try that on your paper, you can pause the video now to do that. So I would do a £10 note, because that's already a value of note, and 60p. Do I just draw a 60p coin? No, 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 there is no such thing as a 60p coin, but there is a 50p, which is the next best thing. 50p. So I've got £10.50. How much more do I need to get to £10.60? How much more than 50 is 60? What do I need to add? If I've got 50 and I add 10, I get to 60 because it's in my 10 times tables. So I need a 10p, a very wonky 10p. £89.25. Again, we've got big numbers here, so we want to start with our big notes. What's our biggest note value? £50. But I still need to get to 80. 50, 60, 70, 80. I still need £30 to get to that 80, that 10's value, and there's not a £30 note, but there is a £20 note. Okay, so now how far away am I from 60? I've got 50, 60, 70. What do I need to get to 80? I need 10, don't I? 50, 60, 70, 80, £9.25 left. There's not a £9 note, but there is a £5 note. Okay, so I'm up to 85. I need £89.25. So I'm at 5. I need to get to 6, 7, 8, £9. So I need how many pounds more? 4. And I can make that with 4 £1 coins or 2 £2 coins. I'm not going to fit the pound sign, but that is, I'll try and fit it on so it's clear it's pounds and not pence. So I'm now at 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, £89. I need 25p. I could do that in 2 coins. Which 2 coins would I need to make 25p? I hope you said a 20p and a 5p. Well done if you did. You get to give yourself a high five. £13 and 13p at the bottom there. Okay. Is there a £13 note? No, no, there's not. There's a £20 note. Is that too big? Yes, it is, because 20 comes after 13. So what note could I use? I could use a 10, or I could use 2 5s. That makes the same as 10, but I'm going to use a 10. I'm trying to use as few things as possible here. So how many more pounds do we need to get to £13? I've got 10, 11, 12, 13, £3. Is there a £3 note? No, 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 no. But there is a £2 coin to take me to £12. How much more do I need to get to 13? Just £1 pound. And now I need 13 pence. Similar here, but we're not doing pounds, we're doing pence. So we can do a 10 pence coin, a 2 pence coin, and a 1 pence coin. Well done, everybody. This is tricky stuff, but you're doing really well. Let's have a look at our workbook questions now. Write the amount of money. Okay, so we're going to look at these notes and coins and write down how much they are worth. Count your pounds first and then your pennies. They should not go over 100, no. So you should be fine doing it that way. You can use a number line, you can use whatever will help you to solve these problems. These are the first 3. Pause the video and complete these now, and then we will go through the answers together, but no cheating. Okay, once you have written the answers, now we can go through them together. So let's have a look at question A, where we have got £20, £10 and £10. Counting in tens is really coming in handy for this topic, isn't it? So we've got 20. Next one, we'll be adding a 10. So what's 20 add 10? 20, 30, 40. So we've got £40 here. Now the pence, we've got 50. Add 2, nice and easy, 51, 52. Add another 2, 53, 54. Add one more, 55. That's it. So we have got £40 and 55 pence. Give yourself a tick if you got that right. Let's look at the next one. £50 and, very hard to read, it's very small, but that is a £5 note. So it's 50, add 5. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, or if you know your 5 times tables, you'd be able to do that very quickly. £55. Okay, looking at our coins now, we're going in 20s. So that's a 2, 4, 6, 20, 40, 60 pence. So we're on 60, and now we're going to go from counting in 20s to counting in 5s. 60, 65, 70, 75. Well done if you counted along with me. £55 and 75 pence. Let's look down here now. We've got 2 £10 notes. What's 10 add 10? You know 10 add 10. It's 20. Well done. And then we've got £2 add £2. What's 2 add 2? 4. So we've got 20 and 4, which makes £24. Brilliant. Now we've got 2 10s again, which made 20, but we're on pence now. Don't press this button. We're on pence now, not pounds. 20p, add 3. What's 20? Add 3 ones, just 3 pennies. 21, 22, 23. Okay, so we have got £24 and 23 pence. Brilliant. Okay, let's look at the next ones. We've got 2 more now. So pause the video and complete them yourself, and then we can check our answers. Okay, so we have got £5 and £5. What is 5 add 5? Double 5 is 10, exactamundo. And then £1 add £1, the old coins. I know they look different now. 1 add 1 is 2. So 10 add 2 is, that's right, £12. Now we're looking over here, we've got our 50p and we're going up in 5. So 5 times table, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Well done if you counted with me. So we've got £12, 70 pence. Okay, now for question E, we have £50, add £20. So that's 2 lots of 10. So 50, 60, 70. Add another 10 is 80. Well done. Okay, counting in our 20s again, we can do this. We've done this loads. 20, 40, 60, 80. Stop, because now we've got 2 2s, which are 4. That's right. So that is 84 pence. So we have £80 and 84 pence. Well done, everybody. You are doing really well. Just one more page. Okay, so our last page now is what we have to match up, but of course we write the letter for each one because we don't have the page in front of us. So let's have a look at the first one, £26 and 21 pence. So we're going to look for something with notes because we've got a fairly big number here. So we've got £5 here plus 2 more pounds, 5, 6, 7. It's not that one. Let's look at this one. £20 and £5 is £25. Add another pound is £26. If we've got 21 pence, we are laughing. 5, 10, 15, 15, 20 plus 1 is 21. So we know that this one is £26.21. That is B. Pause the video, do the rest on your own, and then we will look through them together. Okay, ready? How did you find the rest? Let's look at £62.12. Now we know the top one was £7 and the next one was our first answer. So let's look down here. £50 and £10. What's 50 add 10? 10 more than 50 is 60. And then we've got a £2 coin here, 61, 62. And then for the pence, we've got 10 add 2, which is 12. So that's £62.12. That's the one we were looking for. How useful. Letter C for that one there. £7.22. Do you remember where I found that £7? I wonder. 5, 6, 7. Let's see if this is 22p. 10p. Add 10 is 20. Add 1, 21. Add another one, 22. Super, super. Let's look at question 4. £25 and 43p. Let's go here first. So this is a 5. Add 2 is 7. Add another pound, 8. So that's £8. Don't think that's going to be the one we need. We need £25. Excuse me. Let's check this one down here. 10. Add 10 is 20. Add 5 is 25. Let's count the pennies. That's 20 and 20, which makes 40. And then 1, 2, 3, 43. £25 and 43, which means our last one must be D, but let's check. We need £8.36. We've got 5, add 2 is 7, add 1 is 8. Have we got 36p? We've got 10p, add 10p, which is 20. Add 5, 25. Add another 5, 30. Add another 5, 35. Add 1, 36. So that is £8.36. Well done today, everyone. We've solved so many money problems. You're doing really well, and it's such an important skill to have. I will keep working on this pen, and you keep working on your maths, and we are so proud of all of you. Well done.